Okay, Jedi reporting in for a Tuesday afternoon. Jedi's here at Laverton Skate Park doing a Laverton Skate Park spot check of Laverton Skate Park. Panning around Laverton Skate Park, we have a down ledge here with a kicker bank. Another down ledge here with a kicker bank. Manual pad box out ledge there with a kicker. Going over here we have a 3-stair with a kicker and an out ledge. Over here we have a manual pad box, grind box, a 2-stair here. Over here we have a curb ledge manual pad. We have the bowl with a spine. We have a manual pad here. Have a manual pad here, grind box there. Manual pad here, grind box there. Manual pad here, a grind box there. We have a flat rail here. Another out ledge with a kicker here. And another 3-stair. A 4-stair here, 3-stair, a 4-stair. An out ledge. Another grind box down there with a kicker. A curb here for grinds and rail slides. We have the big end of the bowl with coping and the spine. All cool. This is Laverton Skate Park spot check. All cool. All cool.